Hello everyone, my name is Darren Liu. I am a doctor currently practicing in Malaysia, but I created an app called a Simple HealthTracker App. This app already uploaded to the GitHub, so feel free to use the link below to check out my app. With no further ado, let's start. So, what is the reason for me to create this app? The first thing is, in my practice, I usually noted that there are many patients, they are not writing down their health monitoring in the paper. And when I asked them to bring back the health monitoring paper, they didn't bring it. Either they forgot or they don't do it. So to increase the compliance for health monitoring, I decided to create this app. It's a very simple health tracker that used to increase the compliance for health monitoring. So a little bit background about me. I am a registered healthcare practitioner in Malaysia. I work in a clinic where I used to manage patients with multiple non-communicable disease like type 2 diabetes mellitus and hypertension. Some patients, they are struggling with their health monitoring compliance. They forgot to bring their monitoring sheets or neglecting to record important information. So beyond my clinical work, I'm also passionate about coding and solving real-life problems. I can't wait to see what advancement in health tech and what it has to offer to me, to us, and to the society. So, what is the goals of this project? The Simple Health Tracker. The first thing is to solve patient compliance toward the health screening and checkups. Second is to help clinicians better in their judgment when patients are compliant to health monitoring. Next, we will move on to the main UI. So this one is a simple main UI. As here you can see, there's a simple health tracker title with the reset button on the right side. In the center, there is a calendar view, which is provided by React Native calendars. So when you select the dates, there will be a text box for entering the data. And this data, when you enter, you will be immediately saved. So as you save in the data, there will be a mark below the date. When you press on the mark date, you show the data saved. And this data will still be persist even if the app is quit. So as you can see, even though if you press another date, there will still be a mark date below the date that is having the data saved. What do I learn from here? Basically, I learned a lot of things from here. The first one is JavaScript mainly because JavaScript is the main language used to develop React and React Native apps. At first, I just touched a bit on JavaScript because mainly I want to learn React. Since then, I moved on to React Native because I wanted to develop an apps. So the main wonder about React is the components and their use effect and use state hooks. This one is very powerful in developing this app and is mainly why people love to use React. The next thing is about app design and UI. The app design and UI is also very important, but here I'm not really a good app design, so maybe it will be improved on later. And third thing is learn how to save persistent value. That means the front end and the back end. The lastly is problem solving and self-learning. CS50 used to train me on solving problems by ourselves, by not spoon feeding. Their lectures are good, but their problem solving behind is quite difficult, which you need to learn by your own. So in conclusion, creating an app takes few months of research and planning, and coding also juggling with my full-time job is a bit difficult. So I hereby take the chance to thanks Howard CS50 for giving me the chance to learn the basic of computer science without paying a single cent. The world of computer science is endless, and hopefully this will translate well to my clinical practice. So thank you very much, and below is my link to the React Native HealthTracker app if for those who want to try on something and get a hands-on on the simple app that I developed.